King news, my lovely, wonderful people. See what it already happen now. The matter serious because everybody is overwhelmed at the level of lies and much more that happened yesterday. Nigerians had so much high hope looking forward to this judgment that it will set the record straight, but hardly. In fact, it put people in more perplexed situation that you can ever think about. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Atiku tells US courts he's appealing Nigerian tribunal ruling favoring Tinubu to Supreme Court and that he needs the Tinubu's documents. The court has already given an order saying, Tinubu's documents can be released. They've written to Chicago State University asking Tinubu to state reason within a stipulated time if, why his document or his academic record should not be released. Tinubu really had no tangible reason. And so the university has gone ahead and said the documents can be released. And afterwards, after they said the documents can be released, the Chicago State University has still not released that result. Yesterday, we saw that the court said, there was no evidence for regarding the Chicago State, and that matter was dismissed. Atiku has made it known that he's, appealing that very matter, and that he really needs the Tinubu's result to show that he was not the one who attended the school and more, because on his certificate it was written F, a female, as against the male that Tinubu is. The year was born. There is so much discrepancies in the very results being talked about. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. Thank you. Alhaji Atiku Abubakar has made this known, his intention to appeal the judgment of the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal, which on Wednesday struck out his petition against Bola Ahmed Tinubu, according to the court filing seen by People Glacier. Mr. Abubakar, who contested the February 25th polls under the main opposition People Democratic Party (PDP), asked the United States District Court for the Northern District of Illinois in Chicago for an expanded issuing of the ruling or the rule order of the right to discovery of Mr. Tinubu Chicago State University record so that he could use them to file his appeal at the Supreme Court of Nigeria within the next 21 days, according to the filing first obtained by us, People Glacier, at the outside. Abubakar must inform the court that the Nigerian Court of Appeal repeatedly and reportedly issued a ruling today, September the 6th, 2023, finding in favor of Tinubu and against Atiku Abubakar. Now has 21 days until September the 27th, 2023 to file his appeal of that ruling to the Supreme Court of Nigeria, which applicant intended to do. The Nigerian politician told the U.S. court the Nigerian politician told the U.S. court in the September 6, 2023 filing that this must be done immediately. Time is therefore of the essence, and Abubakar respectfully asks the courts in the U.S. for an expert ruling in order so that the court can grant him what the discovery he has and the main evidence he has for Tinubu to be dislodged. And he needs to receive this document ruling on or before the day of the Supreme Court. And this is what is happening, which is he has 21 days from now, which happens to be September the 27th. His lawyer, led by Ango Leo, said, "We need this document." The filing came as part of his response to Mr. Tinubu's claim that the discovery of the Chicago State University was too late to be used in the case challenging the election victory in Nigeria. The submission marked the first indication that Mr. Abubakar would appeal the judgment, which came on Wednesday night. Nigerians Nigerian time by the panel of the 5 justices, but Mr. Abubakar was hopeful that the document would prove useful at the nation's Supreme Court, where his appeal must be filed within 21 days of the tribunal, which they have given their ruling. Mr. Abubakar's attorney, however, noted that the Nigerian Court of Appeal decision is in no way can no way change his narrative, because one of the things that we saw yesterday was that the court said Atiku was bringing up, this matter with regards to, Atiku was bringing this matter in regards to Tinubu too late. And so the only place he can use it now is he needs to get that document before the 27th of September, which is 3 weeks normally that you are given, within which period you're supposed to file an appeal. Okay, so this is exactly what is happening right now, and every single person can see that we need to rise up and ensure that the right thing is done. Everybody knows exactly what is going on. We can't continue to lie to ourselves. We need the truth to be manifested. We all need the truth to be manifested. If we want Nigeria to move forward, we need to act now and fast. We can't continue with the same thing, with the same way, and expect a different result. Sweetheart, it does not work. It doesn't work that way. It does not. So these are some of the issues and some of the matters that are going on right now. We have looked at the whole situation and we have seen exactly what is going on. And honestly, sincerely speaking, one's heart will bleed to understand the level at which things went yesterday and how things are. We need this country. We need you and I. We need us. We need everyone to rise up. We need us. Okay, so this is what is happening, and we just want to let everybody know that things will not remain the same. Things can never remain the same, and so it is high time we begin to look favorably at the issues that are on ground, so that together we can make a lot of difference. Nigerians, if there is any time in the history of our nation where we all should look out and be sure that we have the right people, it's now. For the fact that you're able to force a square peg into a round hole does not mean it fits in nicely. No. If it's a round peg, it fits in and that's it. But if it's a square peg, it needs to go into a square hole. Because you are trying, okay? Because you are trying to make it work, saying it does not matter who won. I'm already the president, accept it or not. It doesn't make it work. There is something about things being right. There is something about things being right. Things being put in place and in order as they should be. So these are some of the things that we're experiencing. And if there is any time in our history where we need to rise up and ensure that our voices are heard, is now. Please don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. God bless. Bye for now.